Hey, welcome to my first ever video, which is kind of weird to think about. Well, anyway, we're gonna be playing We'll Fly Through. Well, it's not my first video, it's my first Roblox video, because I don't really play Roblox that often, but I just got it on the computer, so thought I might play it and record it for you guys. I am working on getting some sort of other kind of game, like, I don't know, Minecraft or whatever. That would also be a good recording game, but I haven't been able to do that yet, so we're just gonna stick to this so far. I have Minecraft, the Pocket Edition, but it's not good recording quality, so I probably won't make too many videos with that, but I might make a few. This always takes forever to load. I'm on a really old computer, so it takes a long time to load. It's really slow. But it doesn't really bother me, so it's okay. It also runs out of battery really fast, though, so that sucks. This is taking forever to load. Hello? Loading today. I played this game like 3, maybe 4 times, and each time I only played for like 10 minutes until I got off and went and did something else. Oh, by the way, if you want to look my Roblox up, I'm Clay_KitKatPlays316. Because, I don't know. It's kind of ironic that I put Kit Kats in the name, because I actually really do not like Kit Kats. I don't know why, I just don't like them. They're not very appetizing to me, so I just don't really eat them. Is this gonna like take the entire time just to load? Hello? Hello? Anybody home? It's literally been like 2 minutes and 35 seconds, and it still hasn't finished loading. Oh, you can see little wolves flying around over there. I will be right. And we're back. Sorry about that. Well, I mean, it didn't really inconvenience you because it was a cut through. But anyway, it's finally done loading after a few minutes. I can either be an adult, pup, or newborn. I usually play as an adult, but I might do a pup this time. Yeah, let's do a pup. So, this is my little pup. Isn't, well, he right now, I guess, because it says a he. Isn't he just adorable? So let's do brown? Nah, that looks weird. Let's do black on the top, and then it makes me look like a husky when I make it look like that. Let's do brown on the top and a really light gray. Lighter. Oh, it's kind of like not a gray anymore, but let's do that. And then we'll do a dark for the inside of the ears, black nose, and the black claws. And then we'll go back fluff will be messy. Let's do messy tail fluff. Let's get on with it. Oh, I forgot to change my gender. Oh well, I guess I'm a boy. Let's go to camp. Yeah, let's do camp. So, oh, I look so fluffy. Oh, I forgot to change my eye color too. Oh well. Anyway, let's just head on that way. What is this? Empty? Empty den? Cool. Let's go try to find some people. Let's go interact. Because I don't usually talk to people much when I'm playing the game. There's someone. At least I think that's someone. Yeah, there's someone. Let's go say hi and see if they completely ignore me. Me and Dawn were friends ever since we were... And she went missing. Yeah, let's not talk to them. Let's go this way. Let's talk to these people. Where's my chat? There's my chat. Hi. Oh, that's adorable. They're doing the little heart thing. Yay for friendship. I need to change my gender, but I don't think I can anymore, so I guess I'm just gonna... Okay. Oh, that's adorable. Got to go. Okay, well, they're gone. I'm gonna leave those guys alone, because they look like they're having a heartfelt friendship moment, so let's go that way. Is there anyone over here? Hello? Hello? No? No one in the medicine thingy? Medicine den looking thing? I don't know what that is, or what you'd call it. Ooh, let's cook some meat. Get cooking. Okay. Oh, there's someone. They look kind of strange. Let's go say hi. Oh! Ooh! Why are you so tall? What? I'm so confused. What just happened? I didn't know you could get that tall. Like I said, I'm not too experienced in the ways of the Roblox wolf's life. Let's go say hi to this man. This is kind of awkward because I can't sit down. Okay, there we go. Let's say hi. Hi. That was so creepy. They just like slowly looked at me and then looked away. Hi. What's up? Let's do a good old what's up. They look all decked out and stuff. I look so plain compared to them. Rare gems. Nothing. Really? You spelt nothing like that? Okay. Okay. It's just... Oh, okay. Rare forest gem M. Should I do that? Because I don't know whether it tells people that I'm a boy, because I don't want to... No. Let's do a... G. Hopefully that'll work. What is their name? byeeeeee. What does that stand for? Like I said, I'm not at all known in the ways of the Roblox. Let's leave that person alone. They don't like us that much. Probably. I don't know. Wakes up. Okay. They woke. They woke up. Oh, it's the pups adoption. This lots of little pups. So anyway, this video was mostly just because I wanted to test out the screen recorder on Roblox and see how it worked and see if it would be a good match, good screen recorder. Plus I'm going to test the editor on this as well. So it's not supposed to be, sorry, I'm not very good at commentary, but it's not supposed to be very, like, good. It's mostly just me testing this out. I'll probably do more interesting stuff with this later on. But, ooh, cozy popcorns. But, for now, this is just kind of the sort of stuff I'll do. I don't know. I don't really know exactly what I want to do with this, but I'll probably find something to do. I'll probably play some games every so often. I think my game just decided to... There we go. I'll probably do some more interesting stuff later on with this, but for now, this is kind of just, yeah, bear with me. I'm not exactly the, oh, yeah. I gotta stop recording now because it's gonna die. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I'll probably end up recording something else later today once I recharge my thing. I might not even post this, but I probably will. But anyway, that's the end of this video, and, well, bye!